My girl fell in love with a singing group from England far away. She lost her mind, she lost her heart when they began to play. I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand. And so my girl wrote a letter to the Beatles saying, you're so fine, you can have my love to keep, take this heart of mine. Beatles, I'd give you anything, all of my true love. But they wrote a letter back to her saying that ain't enough. You gotta send us 25 cents for an autographed picture, $1 bill for a fan club card, and if you send in right away, you'll get a lock of hair from our St. Bernard. Oh, no, no, I wanna hold your hand. So she wrote another letter to the Beatles saying you misunderstood. It's you I love, it's you I want to have and hold for good. Well, Beatles, I'd give you anything, all of my true love. But they wrote a letter back to her saying that ain't enough. You gotta send us 25 cents for an autographed picture, $1 bill for a fan club card, and if you send in right away, you'll get a lock of hair from our St. Bernard. No, 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 I wanna hold your hand. So she wrote a last letter to the Beatles, and now my song can end, 'cause they're all around her, making her life another heaven. Yeah, my girl and the Beatles got together, and now she's my girl no more, because she wrote, Dear Beatles, I love you very much, and furthermore,